with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
What's up, family? Thank you very much for being here one more time in another video of this idiot. You might be wondering, why am I speaking in English? Like, why is this stupid speaking in English? I decided to make this episode in English. You know, a couple of you guys have been requesting this for a long time now, and I will try to make the subtitles in here so you can understand what I'm saying. So guys, I apologize here for not being, you know, uploading more frequently videos, and I just wanted to let you know, guys, that we're finally making the video. Remember the music video we were talking about for my friend Wally? Well, actually, I just got a message from the band saying that they got a permission, so we finally got the permission, so we can make the video next Saturday. All right, so that video might take, you know, the whole day of shooting, filming. Not a big deal, I mean, but for me it is. It's like, and for the band, because this is like their first music video, so I'm so excited and kind of nervous, you know, just to know if they're gonna like it or people is gonna like it. I don't know, so I don't know. But anyways, it's next Saturday. The post-production might take up to a week, maybe 2 weeks, because, you know, I'm working during the week and it's difficult for me to, you know, be editing during the week because I have no time to edit. And I really want to have fair time, you know, to create the best video I can make. And I want to give those guys the best video they can have. And hopefully, you know, I'll do my best, definitely. So I'm so excited. So anyways, that short intro you saw there at the beginning of the video, that was, we went to a hill here close to, in this area, Ciudad Verde, the Green City, shall I say. That was a short intro I just created. I wanted to create something like a movie, something, you know, very cinematic, and I hope you like it. So we went there yesterday and I just edited today. And I also wanted to let you know, guys, that today is my mom's birthday. So we're gonna have a party, yeah, right. We're gonna, yeah, I don't know, just gonna make a cake or something or buy something for her. We'll see if I can shoot something there. Well, let's continue with the vlog, all right? Go out, you know, I have to pay some bills, electricity bills and all that stuff. Bills and bills. I also wanted to have a haircut because I look like Tarzan right now. So I'm going to the mall to get a haircut, pay the bills, and let me see if I can get something for my mom. So let's go. All right, done. How do I look? It was about time. Oh my God, I feel light. I was feeling so heavy just with this freaking hair so long, finally. Okay guys, so I was just thinking that maybe you're not gonna see this vlog until Monday, maybe Tuesday, because just by making all those translations and all those subtitles, it's gonna take a while. So I apologize if I'm not going to, upload this video on Sunday. So let's hope I can finish this soon so you can all see the episode on Sunday night. So let's go. God, this is the last time I'm gonna wear shirts when I go out. I think this is like the second time I wear shorts since I've been here in Bogota, in Colombia, and this is not a good idea for me. This is still way too cold for me, so I don't even know why I wear those shirts. That is way too cold, not for me. I had to come back home, so I had to pick up some stuff here. I already paid the electricity bill. I had my haircut. Now I have to buy something for my mom. I couldn't buy it because I didn't have the time, and I was getting so cold for these shorts. Let me see. These shorts. You see? No way, Jose. Okay, so I'm gonna get dressed and I'm going to the mall again to get something for my mom, and then we'll meet there with my brother also. He's coming. So meanwhile I get dressed, I'm gonna leave some drone shots for you guys so you can see when I get dressed. So just bear with me, alright? I'll be back.
Judging from here, you're all alone. Do you ever dream of a happy home? I'm wishing that everyone finds their place. I'm wishing the world more grace. One more night, one more day to go. It takes time. One more flight, one more sunset and dawn. Yes, it takes time. And we dance to the downfall. Happy highs, happy running low. Yes, we dance to the downfall. Juggle, we juggle. Lose your disguise, jump on board. Out with the lights, no more insecure. No need to be different just because. No need to pretend that nothing's lost. One more night, one more day, juggle. It takes time. One more flight, one more sunset and dawn. Yes, it takes time. And we dance to the downfall. Happy highs, happy running low. Yes, we dance to the downfall. Juggle, we juggle. And we dance to the downfall. Happy highs, happy running low. Yes, we dance to the downfall. Juggle, we juggle.
Okay, I'm ready now. I also wanted to show you guys just one little, like the intro of something that I'm creating for my daughter. It's kind of like a movie, or short movie. The thing is that I won't be able to upload it onto YouTube because I know that I'm using a song that is actually copyrighted, so obviously I won't be posting that on YouTube. I will be posting that on my website pretty soon when I finish it. It's not done yet, so it's not there on the website yet. but I'm just gonna post like a little intro of it so you can have an idea of what it's gonna be. Alright, it's only like a 4-second clip. Just take a look.
At the edge of the water, long as I can remember.
Okay, that's it. You're gonna be able to see that video very soon. I'm not gonna tell you when, but I will let you know, alright? Okay guys, I'm ready to go. It's starting to get darker here. I don't know if you can notice. I got my backpack here, so I'm gonna bring with me my computer, so I'll try to edit some of this blog in my brother's house. So let's go. Let's see what I can get to my mother. Alright, let's go.
Do you ever dream of a happy home? I'm wishing that everyone finds their place. I'm wishing the world more grace. One more night, one more day to go. It takes time. One more flight, one more sunset and dawn. Yes, it takes time. And we dance to the downfall. Happy highs, happy running low. Yes, we dance to the downfall.
Okay family, thank you very much for watching this episode, and just wanted to let you know that this is the last episode for this season. Season 2 has come to an end, and season 3 is coming up very soon. I think season 3 is gonna start with the music video. Remember, I'm going to make for next Saturday, maybe in 2 weeks from now, I'm gonna be starting the season 3, and I really appreciate all your support, guys. Everything you have done to help this channel grow. We are already 2,000 subscribers. Wow, and I'm very happy for that. Just cut the crap right now. Hablemos en español ahora. Ok familia, muchas gracias de verdad por estar aquí, por haber apoyado el canal estas 2 temporadas de Viviendo en Bogotá. Espero les haya gustado, espero les haya podido mostrar un poquito de Colombia, de Bogotá, aunque todavía me falta mucho por mostrar porque Bogotá es muy grande. Siento que todavía faltan más cosas, entonces tengo que pensar en unas nuevas ideas para el canal. Por eso decidí también terminarla esta en el episodio 14, igual que la temporada pasada, no sé si recuerdan. Entonces voy a tomar por lo menos estas 2 semanas para ir pensando en un nuevo contenido, aparte de visitar parques también y mostrarles la ciudad con el dron. De verdad estoy muy contento por su soporte. Otra vez, muchas gracias familia, gracias por estar aquí. Se me cuidan mucho y nos vemos en la próxima temporada esta vez, ¿ok? Bye, family.